Hi guys, this is Pat from Hikvision China. Today I will introduce you a new upgraded product, the new Smart Managed Switch. In the new Smart Managed Switch, we will integrate the network management into video surveillance system and realize a central management to all IP devices, which will greatly facilitate the management and monitoring of the system. And now please follow me to take a look at this product. The two types of new Smart Managed Switch are put on the table. You can see the package is very light. And first, let's look at the product model. The new Smart Managed Switch is unified as EI. The first two numbers 13 represents the product series, and the last two number 09 represents the port amount. Okay, let's open up and you can see the appearance of the product. And this is the new Smart Managed Switch. And this is a power adapter. Okay. Well, this type has 8 megabit PoE ports and 1 uplink port. And this type has 8 gigabit web managed PoE ports and 2 optical fiber ports. The most obvious advantage is that it can achieve 5 intelligent managements with the video surveillance system, and including the smart topology and device display, the real-time bandwidth management, and the live view management, and the device status and alarm management. And the last one is a single network path demonstration. Well, now I will build a simple monitoring system to show you the 5 core functions. And now I have built a simple monitoring system. It has 3 layers. The first layer is gigabit web managed switch, and the second layer is megabit web managed switch and 2 IP cameras. And the third layer is an access controller. And now I will show you the 5 intelligent management functions in computer. And now I'm going to show you how to use the surveillance management system software to realize the IP devices and network management. First, click the device management and make sure all the devices, of course including the new Smart Managed Switch, have been added successfully. Here I have added the access controller, 2 encoding devices, and the new Smart Managed Switch. Now I will show you the 5 intelligent management functions about the switch. First of all is the system topology and devices display. We can get back to the home page and find the topology module. The platform will automatically generate the system topology. It will cover all IP devices in CCTV system, and you can clearly see the device connection of each branch. Click here to display the set display level. And now there are 3 layers. Of course, you can choose to show or hide the nodes as you want, so that it is easy to view the system structure, especially in some projects with complicated links. And here you can search the name of the device to directly find the connection location in the system, and the topology can be exported to computer in PDF format. And the second intelligent management is real-time bandwidth display. You can select any device in the system to view the real-time bandwidth. For example, I want to check this camera, double-click this line, and here display all the network information, including upstream rate, downstream rate, device type, IP address, and so on. Another practical function is about the link alarm. You can set 2 bandwidth alarms. When the threshold value of level 1 is exceeded, the link line between devices is displayed in yellow, and when the threshold value of level 2 is exceeded, it is displayed in red. For example, I set the first threshold is 1%, and the second is 2%. Okay. And now, if the real-time bandwidth is exceeded the value, the color of link line will be changed. and just like this. And you can easily know where the real-time bandwidth is too high. And the third intelligent management is check the device running status and alarm management. In the topology diagram page, you can choose one switch and then double-click the device to open the device details page. Here display the current device details, including the basic device information, operation status, and device information connected to the switch port. The green means the device is connected normally, and red represents the alarm, which means the device is disconnected. In order to demonstrate these functions intuitively, I disconnected a camera in the system. Let's take a look at the display status of the port. Okay, now we can see that the port status has turned red, indicating that this device is disconnected, so that it is convenient to check the connection status of the device in the system. Now, please let me reconnect the camera, okay? Well, now all devices are online. And the fourth intelligent management is live view management. And this function is very simple. You can preview the real-time image by selecting the corresponding camera in the topology diagram without switching to the live view module, which is convenient for checking the status of a camera. And you can also set a configuration by right-clicking to the remote configuration page of the device. Okay, the last intelligent management is video path display. Here you can select one network camera and NVR or transmission device. And the platform will show the link between these two devices. At this time, other devices in the topology will be hidden, and only all devices in this link will be displayed. You can clearly see the transmission path of the streaming. So the above content are the 5 intelligent management functions of the new smart managed switches, which greatly facilitate the management and the monitoring of the system. And if you have any problem about that product, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.